What's in the pot? I'm your host Sean Grande, and today we're making some coconut curry shrimp. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. So what's in the pot?
Thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. So I have about maybe 10 to 20 pieces of shrimp, and they've been washed, deveined, and cleaned. Now we're gonna start seasoning the shrimp up. I'm using 1 teaspoon of Trinidad green seasoning, 1 teaspoon of this minced garlic, which is approximately about 3 cloves of garlic, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some of this curry powder. Now when I'm making curry shrimp, I like to season a little bit with a little bit of curry powder. Sometimes I use a duck and gold curry if I want a little bit more of a stronger curry taste, but my overall favorite curry of all time is this Chief brand curry powder. We're also gonna be using some of this reggae blend seasoning from Spice Jamaica. So shout out to Spice Jamaica for hooking it up. They make a really amazing jerk seasoning, a nice jerk dry rub, and also this reggae blend seasoning, which is a perfect Caribbean style all-purpose seasoning. Works good on anything and everything you put it in. We're also gonna be adding some fresh cilantro and some fresh shadow benny, and I'm also adding this green seasoning. Now normally I don't use the bottled green seasoning, I like to make my own fresh green seasoning, but for some reason this green seasoning by Caribbean Flavors, and it's really nice when you're doing seafood. It has a nice little bit of a limey flavor, so it works perfectly with any kind of fish or shrimp or lobster or anything you're doing. Now we're gonna go ahead and start making our curry. So I'm using some onions, some garlic, some cilantro, some shadow benny, and some fresh pimento. And we're gonna go ahead and start frying that up. Once you add that to the oil, I like to fry this up first. Some people add their curry first, then add the onions and peppers and stuff like that. I like to add this first, fry it up, saute, let the onions and garlic and everything swell a little bit. Then we're gonna be adding our Chief brand curry. Now sometimes you can make a paste, sometimes you don't have to. What I like to do is fry up the curry like this, then add a little bit more water and kind of make that paste. And then what's gonna happen is it's gonna start bubbling. Once it starts bubbling, you're gonna notice that little bit of oil is gonna start separating. Once that oil starts separating, that means the curry is good, it's nice and fried up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our meat or our vegetables. In this case, we're starting with potatoes first. I got this tip from Taste of Trinidad. She parboiled the potatoes, especially when you're making something like curry shrimp. You want either to do the potatoes first or you want to put them in after. But if you put them in after, then the shrimp will get overcooked and come out too rubbery. So if you parboil your potatoes first, it's gonna fry up with the curry, and then when you add the shrimp at the same time, because the potatoes are about 90% cooked, it's gonna fry up as well. So both things are gonna fry up with that curry that you just fried up in the pot, so you can get all that flavor, all that niceness, all that deliciousness. So add a little bit of water and we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. And then once we're cooking for about maybe less than 5 minutes, we're gonna add our coconut milk powder. Because remember, curry shrimp, you don't want it to overcook because the shrimp's gonna come out rubbery. Now you can use canned coconut milk or the cube coconut milk, it's really up to you. But this is our final product. I like my curry shrimp a little bit saucy, especially when I'm making it with potatoes, because I like to use a little bit of rice and dal. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That is our final product. Hit that little bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video, and follow me on social media on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook,